In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert Excel data into PowerPoint slides. So let's get started. So first thing that we need to do is to open our data in our Microsoft Excel. So move your cursor to okay, to the data, and then you have to make a right click and then select copy. Once this is copied, so make sure you have selected the whole data and then open the PowerPoint. You just need to make a right click and then select paste. And now it has been converted into the PowerPoint. Okay, you can also increase it like that. Second way around, just simply click on the insert tab and then here you'll find this option, object, click on that. Then you have to click on create from file, click on browse, and then browse for the location of the Excel sheet, click on OK. Make sure to check this option, link, and then click on OK. And the same thing will appear from here. Okay, that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.